It's the doing of you, Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Psalm 118 verse 23. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I present to you, family, this creamy and delicious custard ice cream recipe. Okay, so let's go. So over here, these are my ingredients. I have some condensed milk custard, my milk powder I have dissolved, and then I have some essence here. I am using pineapple essence and then yellow food color. Okay, so over here I add a little of my food color into my dissolved milk powder. Yes, I want to get that yellowish custard color. Okay, so this is optional, family. You can choose to omit it. Then I dissolve my custard also here, and then I set it aside. So in my bowl, I add my custard to a little water, and then I stir. So once it thickens up a bit, then I add my dissolved milk powder. So make sure you stir it gently and continuously to prevent lumps, okay? And please note, we are on our final ice cream recipe. If you want more, just send me a comment and I'll bring it to you. So over here, I've added my condensed milk, my essence or extracts, and then I stir and allow it to simmer just about 5 minutes, and then I taste. If it's okay for me, I'll just set it aside to cool down, and then now we are transferring it into Abele walls, rubber or mold. So just look at the size of this. Yes. So you can also use the popsicle molds, which is optional, okay? But this one, I went for the Abele walls. Creamy custard Abele walls papebi. So here we are. So I am gonna freeze this overnight, but you can choose to freeze yours 6 hours and above, okay, family? And ta-da! Our creamy and delicious custard ice cream or Abele walls is ready. I hope you try this, family. Just follow the step-by-step recipe and you'll be glad you did, and your family will be glad you did. Thank you guys. I love you. See ya in our next video. Bye bye, family.